Hello guys, welcome to the 21st session of using Microsoft Boat Framework, LUIS and Cognitive Services tutorials for beginners. In this session, we will learn how to publish your boat in Telegram. First of all, we need to add BoatFather in Telegram. BoatFather is a bot that created by Telegram using which we can create our own boats. To add BoatFather, we need to open this link, select Telegram, and click on Start. It shows manual help command that we can use to create or manage boat. Click on the new boat to create a new boat. Here we need to pass name for the boat. Let us write my boat 123. After this, it will prompt for boat username. I am using my new boat 123 underscore boat. Here boat username must end with a boat as per Telegram terms. Here our boat is created and here it is token. Let's copy it and paste into boat service. To test, we need to click on this link and click on Start and write answers to all those questions. Here it works as per our expectations. Use myBoats command to get a list of boats and select boat which you want to edit. From here we can obtain token for the boat, change name and description of boat, update boat settings, payments, as well as delete boat too. Let us see what we have learned in this session. We need to use BoatFather to create a boat. After creating a boat, we need to update access token in boat service and start a conversation with your boat. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.